Hey, what's up? So this question is a SQL question called countries selection. Your friend wants to become a professional tour guide and travel all around the world in pursuit of this dream. She enrolled in a tour guide school. The professors in this school turned out to be very demanding, and one of them gave your friend a difficult assignment that she has to finish over the weekend. Here is the assignment. Given a list of countries, your friend should identify all the countries that are in Africa. To help her, you have to decide. You have decided to write a function that will find all such countries and find all such countries from any sets of countries. The countries table in which the countries are stored has the following structure: name, continent, and population. Name is the name of the country. Continent is the continent on which the country is situated. Population is the country's population. Your task, so this is actually what we need to do, is to return a new table that has the same columns, but that only contains the countries from Africa. The countries should be sorted alphabetically by their name. So they said select the same column, so select star from the table name is countries. Now we need to add a where condition because we need only the countries that are in Africa. So our continent is equal to Africa. We skip the Africa. And we actually need, so they're telling us to order them by name. Order by name. It's by default ascending, so you don't need to add it. Okay, just like this. Submit. It's correct, but they said you need to sort it in alphabetical order, but I don't think they are checking for that. You can remove sort by. It still works for some reason. But this is a requirement actually to have it. But yeah, thank you.